Ortery Technologies is a technology company. We look at photography a little bit different. We look at it from a technical perspective on how to speed up and accelerate and also make product photography easier than it ever has been before. Our main value proposition is to allow anyone, regardless of their product photography experience, the ability to walk up to one of our studios, place an object inside, and take an excellent picture. People find value inside of our products in many different places. If you're a beginner, the value could come from the simplicity of the use of the studio. If you're a professional, then you find value in its flexibility. And this is something we do with our software. We dance that line between creating a workflow that's easy enough for anyone, but yet flexible enough for the professional at the same time. And I think we've done a very good job at that. The things that set Ortery apart start with our technology. We pioneered this industry and have a very innovative spirit. We started in 2003 with a brand new idea and approach to product photography. We've grown and expanded that, not just to product photography, but to 360-degree photography, 3D photography, video, lifestyle photography. Another thing is that I feel that because we manufacture our own equipment and we write all of our own software, it gives our customers a feedback loop that has allowed us to grow. If somebody has an idea on what they would like to see in our next version of software, then they let us know. We code that in immediately. It helps us, it helps the customers. Because we manufacture our own products, we're not reselling somebody else's. It's our name that's on that product, it's our brand, and it's our reputation that's at stake. We take great pride in supporting our products and putting our customers first in every situation.